Equations Lesson 7. I can solve equations to find the value of the variable x. Make sure everything I do in the video, you're doing too. Good luck. Problem number 1. I have 3x plus 2x on the left is equal to 10. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is look on the left-hand side where I have 3x plus 2x. So how many total x's do I have? Well, that's easy. I have 5 x's equals 10. So what I know is in between 5 and the x is a little multiplication sign. So 5 times what, meaning the value of x, is equal to 10? Well, x must be equal to 2. So let's do our check. 5 times 2 equals 10. Equal signs line up. I know the right-hand side is 10. Well, 5 times 2 is 10. So the left and the right matches. They're balanced. So I can put an X or a check mark above the equal sign. Another way I could solve this is instead of doing multiplication, I could do repeated addition. So I could do x plus x plus x. So that's that 3x plus x plus x. So this is those 2 x's, those are the 3 x's, equals 10. So what plus what plus what plus what plus what equals 10? Well, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. So, same thing, x is equal to 2. And so I still am going to do my check using multiplication, but multiplication is just repeated addition. Make sure you showed your work. Now we're doing problem number 10, and this is review from yesterday, the infamous distributive property. When we have a number right next to parentheses, that immediately means multiplication. But it doesn't just say 2 times x, it's also 2 times 4. So I'm distributing this 2 to everything that's in the parentheses. This is huge, okay? So it's not something you can ignore or think it's going to go away. It never goes away the rest of your life. So we're going to rewrite this. So it's 2x, because it's 2 times x, plus 2 times 4. Well, that's 8. And then equals x plus 10. So now we're going to do our trick. So if you've made this using your tools, you absolutely may. Well, I'm going to get rid of that x, and this is no longer going to be 2x. It's just going to be 1x. So it's just x. So really what I have is x plus 8 equals 10. So let's solve. What plus 8 equals 10? Well, this is kind of funny. It's actually 2 again. So let's check it. And remember, when we check, we have to go back to the original equation. I can't do my simplest step, which yes would make life easy. We've got to check to make sure we actually did the work correctly the first time. So be ready to write small. So we're going to start our check. So we have 2 outside the parentheses. Then I have x, which was 2, plus 4 equals x. Well, that's 2 plus 10. So now I'm going to distribute this 2 to that and that. Both things in the parentheses. So 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 2 times 4 is 8. Well, 2 plus 10 is 12. What's 4 plus 8? 12. So 12 equals 12. It checks. It's balanced. So x indeed is equal to 2. Make sure everything I just did, you did too. Now you're going to finish Lesson 7 equations. You may use your tools if you need to. Just like the others, raise your hand when you've solved every 2 to get them checked. When you're done, Put it in the second tray. Good luck!